Okay, welcome to the GPUGame plugin demo. Super excited to talk about this. GPUGame occurs at the intersection of tech art and engineering, and at a high level, it's all collision detection. All AI is calculated inside of a Niagara GPU system. Um, some of the key tech we use is a neighbor grid for um, spatial partitioning of collision data. We got vertex animation to improve the zombie rendering. We got a flow map, height map navigation, and lastly, we're using Niagara data channels for basically a notification system between GPU and CPU. Okay, this is super cool. This is a visualization of the neighbor grid. So you can see the cells in there. Basically, all zombies add themselves to that cell on a pass, and then a second pass, they can quickly check their neighbors. And then this is even cooler. It's a visualization of the actual particles. Because really, what this is you're playing inside of a particle system. It's just that the rendering of the particles is done by vertex animation. Okay, this is a cool weapon we were experimenting with. This is a laser freeze ray, right? So when you shoot them, it swaps the vertex animated zombie with a regular skeletal mesh, and it also sends the animation index and the current animation time so that we can swap the skeletal one to the same point, and then it freezes it. It does the same thing when doing ragdoll too. So here we have a rocket launcher, which is the obligatory weapon of choice, and and so in this case, instead of swapping to a skeletal mesh, it's swapping to a geometry collection, which was prefactored, and then a field is created as the impact point. So basically, if you shoot a clump of zombies, you swap, all 10 of them, and then spawn a field to blow them up. Super cool. All right, here's a few notes regarding replication. Since the system is relatively deterministic, as long as we replicate key events like spawns or kills or target swaps, then each client's GPU game can pretty much simulate the in-betweens. In addition, just to capture any cases where it's not working, we do build up an array that gets sent every frame with a subset of zombies based on kind of the zombie age and proximity to the player. So it's a single RPC call, and that's great. Okay, so in summary, GPUGame is implemented as a plugin. We used the first version of it up on a game that's already on Steam called So Many Zombies. This version is greatly improved. It's has replication now, and we're using it for a first-person round-based zombie prototype, and really excited about it. And I hope to get it up on Fab eventually. Let me know if you got any questions, and really excited to share it. Thanks for watching.